Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change background in Instagram story using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app. Now click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen and choose Story. So now just go ahead and click on the image option at the lower left corner of your screen. Then choose the image that you want as a background. Okay, so now just go ahead and click on the sticker button at the upper part of your screen and scroll down until you see the image button or option. Click on that and now just go ahead and choose the image that you want. So just like that. So just go ahead and adjust it. Okay. So now for example, you want to change the color of your background. So I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Now choose Draw. Now you can just go ahead and choose any color that you want. I'm just gonna choose this one and hold it on your screen. So now as you can see that the background is changed. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.